Hello, this is adroit from English Bioscope. Now I am going to a conversation about language. Although it is a model class, it will help you for your English speaking preparation. What languages do you speak? I speak Bengali, Hindi, and English. When did you learn English? I started learning English when I was in first standard. Probably I was around 5 years old at the time. Do you think English is difficult to learn? I do not think any language is difficult to learn. It depends a lot on whether a person is giving enough time for practice or not. Would you like to learn other languages? Yes, I would like to learn French because the country where I am planning to do my higher studies has French as the second language.